So it's about 39. It's cold outside. So me and my friend doing a Randonautica, or I don't know how you really say the word. Randomatic, it's Randonautica. Randomatic. Well, no, two.
Say it.
Randomatic. I think it's called Randomatic. Oh my god. We got dogs. We got dogs here.
That's not Black Cat.
What?
That's not Black Cat.
Oh. No, it's what the heck? Who dogs are these?
I have no idea. They wanted around the house.
These two dogs are going crazy. They're running around the places. What the heck? What the heck?
Holy cow. Look, you know other dogs outside.
My intent is owl. And every time I do something, so just crazy things happens. And I'm not saying I don't like it. I love it. Okay, I gotta see where I'm at. Whoa.